Boris Pat and welcome to calling for Boris. Okay, Boris the wolf. So let's do it. Get ready. So scary. Oh, hello? Who's this? Are you Boris the wolf? Oh my God, Boris the wolf. He answered. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Wait. Wait. Oh my God! This Boris the Wolf still here? Holy shit! Okay, guys. If you hope we wait. Oh yeah, Boris the Wolf. Okay, so if you hope like this video, please send to subscribe to my channel and my cousin channel and my big sister channel. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you later, guys. See you, bros. Bye.